Morning and welcome to this training 20. Now, we're not doing a warm-up today, so if you haven't done a warm-up already, then you can check the description for a 3-minute warm-up that you can do before you start this workout, because we're going to get straight on to the workout itself in this 20 minutes. So I'm going to take you through it. Now, we need a kettlebell and or dumbbell. You only need one. You can use multiple weights, but I'm just going to use one for you guys that are limited with weights at home. So you only need one of either a kettlebell or a dumbbell. So it's an AMRAP today. We have got 5 exercises. We're doing a 15-minute AMRAP. So as many rounds as you can in 15 minutes. I'm going to show you, I'm going to do it with both. I'm going to mix it up as we go and do it a few different ways as well. So without complicating things, I'm going to take you through the exercises first. So like I said, every single exercise, including the swing that we've got, can be done with either a dumbbell or a kettlebell. So our first exercise is an upright row, which with the kettlebell will look like this, pulling up to the chest. We're in a kneeling position, and we're going to go 6 reps like so from the floor up like so. Exactly the same with our dumbbell there. 6 on each side there. Then we're into a kneeling Arnold press. So Arnold press, you've got your knuckles facing outwards, you twist and press and then back down and in, like so. If you struggle with the Arnold press, then you can just go for a standard press, and you can also, for both the kneeling upright row and the Arnold press, you can stand up as well, because that may help because you can use a bit of legs. With the kettlebell, it's exactly the same. You start here, twist it in, you rotate out, press, and then rotate back in. Then we're going into a split squat, holding the kettlebell here. So sorry, step up, it's a step up, not a split squat. So we're kneeling down, we're stepping up, and then back down to the floor. Now if you struggle with this, you can just go for a split squat, either with a goblet weight, with a weight down here, like so, or you don't have to use a weight at all. They are your regressions there. Exercise 4 is a single arm squat. So you're holding a kettlebell or a dumbbell up here and performing a squat like so. Exactly the same with a kettlebell. You want it to sit in that pocket, hand underneath your chin, so it's nice and comfortable on that single arm squat. And then finally, we've got our kettlebell swing, single arm. We're going for 12 on each side. So this will look like this here. Single arm swing, 12 on each side like so. It can be done with a dumbbell just like so. So don't worry, easily done with a dumbbell too. So they are our 5. This is going to be a tough AMRAP. I've chosen 20s, which I'm already not looking forward to. Everything is 6 reps on each side, bar the swings, which is 12. So everything is 6, apart from that's doubled. Now, in terms of how you can perform it, you can do all on one side first. So upright row, Arnold press, step up, squat, and then your swing. You can do each exercise on all this side and then come onto this side, or you can go upright row, Arnold, Arnold, and alternate sides as you move up the exercises. That is completely up to you. I'm going to go for the kettlebell and one side then the other first, and I'll do that with the dumbbell, one side then the other, and if I've got time I'll probably come back to the kettlebell and go side to side, exercise by exercise. So don't, if I've overcomplicated there, then don't worry. Just copy me as best you can, or go about it how you think you should. With that said, we have got a 15-minute AMRAP, which hopefully goes really quickly, which I'm going to start in a second. So whether you go side to side or not, we're all starting with upright row, which is 6 on each side. So I'll talk you through it as we go. So here we go, in 3, 2, 1, off we go. So 6 on each side, upright row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going into my Arnold press next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down here for the step up. 1, back to kneeling every time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into my single arm squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 12 single arm swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. On to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into that Arnold press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step ups. 1, 2. Obviously rest whenever you need to. 4, 5, 6. As you should know, the idea is to get as many rounds as you can in the 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. So that is one round done for me. It took me almost 3 minutes. So quite long round. I'm going onto the dumbbell now to show you how it's done with the dumbbell. Carry on getting your reps in. I'm also going to try, no actually I'll stick with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and into the swing. So remember, all about the hips, snapping those hips, hinging from the hips. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. Onto the other side for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Into my squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. Tough. 6 minutes gone. It's not even halfway. Right, so I'm going to go back to the kettlebell and do side to side. So just to mix it up, if you want to mix it up too, I'm going to go for both upright rows first, after I cut my breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then swap over to the other side if that's how you want to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into that Arnold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if any exercise get too hard, as those press are getting hard, drop the weight, reduce the reps, cut it out altogether if it's slowing you down too much and you're really struggling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step ups next, 6 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm sweating now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Swings. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. Gas now. And it's 10 minutes gone, so that's only 4 minutes. So I feel that was a bit longer. I'm going to go back to the other way with the dumbbell again. Like me, if you need a little breather, a little drink, grab it, because these are some tough exercises. But don't wait around too long. And just dig deep. There's only less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes left. Big final push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arm gets tired down on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost just over 3 minutes left. Come on. Big push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Forearms a beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, 1.5 minutes to go. I'm going to resort back to my alternating sides to keep it even for the final push. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 50 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is time there. Woo. That was a killer. I'm not gonna lie. I got 4 plus upright rows and Arnold press. But that was tough for 15 minutes. So, same as the warm-up, there's a 3-minute-ish cool down that you can click the link below. If you're looking for a cool down now, I've done it so you can go on to another workout if you wanted to. Not sure I'd be up for that after doing that one, but really good. Let me know how you did. Let me know the weight you used, how many rounds you managed to get, what way you used, if you did one arm and the other. Send me a message or comment. And yeah, otherwise, I'll see you next time. Ooh, sweaty.